हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज़ प्रतीक चौहान। तो मैंने कल एक वीडियो डाला था अपने वर्क फ्रॉम होम इक्विपमेंट्स का। तो जो लोग एक्सेंचर में हैं उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज किया और जो लोग जानते हैं उन्होंने कॉल भी किया कि इसमें एलिजिबिलिटी क्या है। तो एलिजिबिलिटी एंड व्हाट आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम वेयर टू रियम्बर्स, कितना रियम्बर्स होता है, हाउ टू अप्लाई। तो इस शॉर्ट वीडियो में मैं यही कवर करने वाला हूँ कि हाउ टू अप्लाई, हु आर एलिजिबल, फ्रॉम वेयर टू बाय, व्हाट आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। So let's start with point number 1, how much Accenture is gonna reimburse. Accenture will reimburse you 18,000 rupees, 18,000 rupees, Indian rupees. In India, this all I am talking of India only. If you are out of India, there can be different policies. So who is eligible? Everyone is eligible. Everyone is eligible right now. There was a doubt that people who have joined after 1st of September, can they reimburse the amount? Yes, they can reimburse the amount, but do it before December. The policies keeps getting changes. Where you can check your eligibility, you have your rewards portal in Accenture. So go to your rewards portal, check your rewards. There you can check that how much, what is the exact eligibility right now is. But currently I have already checked. So if you have joined after 1st September, yes, you can reimburse your work from home allowance. 18,000 is the money. From where to buy the equipments? You can buy the equipment from Amazon, you can buy the equipment from Flipkart, you can buy the equipment from any of the seller which have a valid GST number. The GST number should be written on the invoice, the bill. Where to reimburse that amount? Once you buy the equipment, you can reimburse, you can upload that bill, you can upload all those things, all the eligible documents to your Allsec portal. Accenture has a Allsec portal for their all financial needs. So you can just upload your bill there. How many days it will take to reimburse? For example, one important thing is you have to upload your bill from 1st to 10th every month. From 1st to 10th every month. And in that window only you have to upload. If everything goes right, in the next subsequent month, on the 5th day, on the 5th of, for example, you have reimbursed 18,000 rupees on 2nd of September. So on 5th of October, if everything goes right, you will be getting reimbursement of 18,000 rupees, which is very nice. And that is very good because we all are working from home and we all need our comfort, because 8 to 9 hours working from home, that too. Many of the people don't have proper chair and table in their house, so it is very good. All the employers should do it. That is my opinion, and it is very good. It feels nice also. It feels welcomed. So most important point in this is 2-3 points are there. First is the address on which you are ordering. If you are ordering from online, the address should be yours and the order should be on your name. These are the important points. Please note them down if you want. If you are an Accenture and you are going to reimburse these things, your address should be on your name. Your address should be on your name. For example, if you are living it, you are working from home, and you have given address as your father's name. Order is on your name, but you have given the address as your father's name. It will not work. It will not work. The address should be on your name. Your transaction also should be from your account only, not from others' account, because they will ask for some transaction details. So there the name will be there. Okay. And if you talk about transaction slips, if you are going to get it from the local market and you are cash is not acceptable. So when you will swipe your card, your credit card or debit card, a slip will come out. So on that slip your name is written, that is valid. Then third thing is all the orders should be on your name. If you want to check your eligibility, as I told you, you can check in your rewards portal. I have covered how many days it will take and when to apply. Just apply it between 1st to 10th of your month, every start of every month. So everyone is eligible. One more thing, if you have bought something, for example, you have joined on 1st of September or 1st of May, 1st of October, and you have bought your product before that, you are not eligible to take this reimbursement. So this is one important point. Then a question comes that what things can I reimburse? There is a list on the My Rewards portal only, that what exactly you can reimburse. If I talk about the most productive things which you can reimburse is a mouse, a wireless mouse, a wireless keyboard, a monitor, a Bluetooth device, or a collar mic you want to have. These are the most important things, and which you will reimburse in your work from home allowance. One more thing is about printer. People are asking that can we reimburse printer? Yes, you can reimburse your printers, but just a suggestion from my side, because printing a personal printer is gonna cost you more. Per print it will cost you very, very high. So, and the printer which are available in market, and nowadays everything is online, so I don't believe that anyone is using printer nowadays at home. But if you want, yes, you are eligible and you can do that. तो गाइज यही था इस वीडियो में, और आपको अगर मेरा कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है, आप कुछ और जानना चाहते हैं, पूछना चाहते हैं, प्लीज़ कमेंट एंड please like, share and subscribe my channel. Like my videos, subscribe my channel. And एक चीज़ और, अगर आप 1 सितंबर के बाद ज्वाइनिंग हुई है तो वेलकम किट अभी तक नहीं मिली है किसी को भी. अगर आपको मिली है तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए. बट वेलकम किट इज़ राइट नाउ, अभी इन्होंने सब बंद कर दिया है. तो लेट्स सी कब तक वापस आती है. एंड इसी के साथ ये वीडियो ख़त्म करते हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत. प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.